everyone, my name is Vera and you on my channel about my hobby, azalea knitting. Thanks for turning in. Today I want to show you how to crochet a triangle motif for granny square cardigan. I'm working on this granny square cardigan. I need to make 30 squares, 8 half squares and 2 triangles for medium size. I show yarn I used and granny square tutorial with my tips for perfect granny square in previous video. You can find the link at your screen or under this video in the description box. In the next video I will show you a finished cardigan. Link to the written pattern can be found under this video and at the corner of your screen. Have you ever made a granny square cardigan? Leave a comment. And now let's start. Please turn on subtitles. English, Russian and Spanish subtitles are available. I've already made 2 sleeves, 6 granny squares for each, 1 front, 3 half squares, 2 squares and 1 triangles. And now I will need to make the second front. I will use crochet hook 4.5 millimeters, yarn Caron Simply Soft O'Go, make an adjustable ring or a magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring, pull the yarn over and chain 3. Three double crochet into the ring, chain 3, 4 double crochet into the ring, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull the yarn, first row is finished, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Turn your triangle, weaving the end through the both loops of double crochets. Attach the new color. I will use the pink color. Insert the hook into the first double crochet and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3. Now we can cut the pink end, 3 double crochet into the same chain 3 space, chain 1 and 4 double crochet into the third stitch, into the third chain. One, two, 3 and 4. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. The second row is finished. Turn your triangle, cut the green tail and cut the pink tail. Now weave in the pink end, insert the hook into the first double crochet, chain 3, three double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, three double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3, 3 double crochet into the same chain 3 space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1 and 4 double crochet into the third chain, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Turn your triangle, cut the pink end, cut the brown end, turn your triangle, weave in the brown end, and now repeat the third row. Begin from the 4 double crochet into the first stitch, then chain 1 and 3 double crochet into each chain 1 space, and at the corner 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and end the row with 4 double crochet into the third chain. I made 6 rows. My triangle motif is done. 6th row. I need to weave in green end and the white end. I will use the tapestry needle. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video and have a great day.